I'm pregnant now.
My arms ache. Ooh, poke a hole in it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to day 3 of 5. Every single day this week, Monday through to Friday, I'm uploading a new video in a new weekly series where I'm trying to follow different online video tutorials. If you haven't already seen my previous 2 videos, I'll be sure to link them in the clickable I button for you. I'll also make a little playlist for you because it is another weekly series, and I'll leave the little thumbnails on the screen for you. I attempted a watermelon cake and a dance workout, and I'll let you be the judges of how well that went. But today I'm going to be trying to copy or follow along with a Karina Garcia slime into Wubble Bubble tutorial. I got my Wubble Bubble, which I had never ever played with before today, and they're very interesting. I'm going to insert a little clip of me playing with my Wubble Bubble. I have the batteries, I have the pump, the Wubble Bubble is yet to be blown up, and then I have this thing. I don't know what this is. This, which I'm assuming I attached to the pump, and a little instruction manual that says on it, don't use with rockets or forks or pencils, which I kind of feel would be obvious. But hey ho, so why do I need some like massive batteries? Come on, I'm really excited to see this blown up. Should we test it? That is noisy. Oh, ooh, this is lovely. Oh, it feels really weird. Oh my gosh. That feels so odd. A little hole in the top, and somehow we're gonna get this in there, but this obviously does something. So, instruction manual. What the heck? How far in do you push it? Oh gosh, it's making noises. Why won't you go in? I'm failing already and the pump isn't even involved yet. What the actual heck? This doesn't work! We're squeezing this open and pushing this in. And now what are we doing? Putting this in here, and we're gonna blow it up. Oh my gosh, I'm scared it's gonna blow up. It looks like it's only blowing up on one side. Why is that side not blowing up? I'm scared, I don't like it. I don't want to be part of it. I'm not getting involved. I don't want to be near it. What if it blows up? It's too big, I don't like it. Oh, I don't like it. How much bigger can this get? Pull this out. It's not going down. I think we did it. I think we did it. I think we did it. Giant bubble. Oh, that feels weird. Oh, it's a bit staticky. I like it. Oh no, my piggies. It reminds me of Mum's like gym ball, but just very, very light. That was fun, wasn't it? What else can you do with this thing? It says on the instructions you can punch it, so... Ew! It's picked up a piece of my hair from the floor. I should really have put that in the bin, but it could go back on the floor. That's really weird. I'm scared I'm gonna pop it. Imagine if it just sucked me inside. I got a new friend. Where's the bubble gone? Let's make some slime. My glue, I've got lots of shaving foam, and then if you do live in the UK and you are looking to make slime, this is the stuff for you. It's from Boots. I believe it's $7.99. It was $6.99. It's now $7.99, but it's just contact lens solution. Muscles! I'm already tired. I forgot how much glue came in one of these tubs. This is a lot of glue. Onto the shaving foam. Ooh. Oh no. My spatula thing has gone into the glue. Great start, Jasmine. Do a little dance, do a little dance, do a little jig, do a little jig. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Oh, that's so cool. How far away can I get? Oh! You get pretty far away. That went on my laptop. May have got a little bit on the floor, but it's used for cleaning, so I'm cleaning the floor. My arm is aching. How does this happen? I thought I was being really careful. My arms ache. Oh, it's ripped. Okay.
I'm
That's
not.
a quite cute little ball. This is quite easy. About halfway, I
I
think.
do not know how you're going to fit all that in.
It's going in.
But what the hell is that?
It keeps creeping up. It's gonna come out. Last one. And then I guess you let go. And it should close up a little bit. Okay, it's in there, but I don't know how this is meant to go closed. Like, it's trying to escape. It is really trying to escape. Okay, she's got a hairband around it. Mine is just ripping. I can't get this thing closed. I think the Wubble Bubble will hold. Oh, that's really exciting. Watch this. That's so satisfying. Definitely not. My Wubble Bubble, it is definitely not as large as Karina's was. So kudos to you, Karina, because yours was flipping massive. But I successfully did it. It definitely feels a little bit like a belly. You could definitely get away with saying to someone, oh yeah, I'm pregnant, and they'd go, oh, how far along can I feel your belly? Does it feel like a belly?
Yes.
It does, doesn't it? It feels like a pregnant belly. This is what I'm going to look like when I'm pregnant.
Really?
Nick, can you get me my socks? And
You sound like that now. You're pregnant now.
I wonder how heavy this is compared to a baby belly. Not too sure what else there is to do with it, really. I mean, I've done some squidging, done some carrying, I put it on my head, I put it under my t-shirt. Just throw and catch. Ooh! And go and poke a hole in it. We need to make an incision now, doctor. Good, well done. Let me turn down this light. Can you see it better? We're making an incision. It looks open, but there's still a layer over it. Wait. That is so satisfying. And now I don't know what to do with it. Ah! Oh my gosh, please go in the bucket. Oh my goodness. Thanks for watching my video. Looks like a little animal. I've cut it open and I forgot to take a thumbnail. So I don't really know what to do about that. Okay, well, that was it for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up for me if you did, and subscribe if you're brand new. Leave me a comment to reply to down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!